1963 Lambretta TV175 with custom sidecar. The TV175 Lambretta was the top-of-the-line sports scooter for 1963 as the Series 3 offered progressive styling and outstanding handling and power. This Lambretta was fully restored just a few years ago, and it looks great, runs great, has no issues, and no problems. Its overall condition is excellent. This TV175 is a clean example of one of the coolest scooters ever, and it comes with the original documents and ASI registration. This is the perfect scoot for a Lambretta sidecar rig. Rare, fast, and beautiful, really everything a vintage scooter with a sidecar should be. Regarding our custom bespoke sidecar rig, it is a unique custom design, stylish, and functional. The sidecar was entirely crafted by hand in metal using traditional coachwork techniques and artisan skills.